That said, the last two Honor flagships have impressed a lot. We said the 2022 Magic 4 Pro was a shock to the system in a good way, while last year's Magic 5 Pro was another 5-star effort in our eyes. Design and display. Too much of a good thing. The external design innovation is where a lot of brands are starting to struggle. Indeed, it's been a while since we've seen a smartphone design that truly breaks from the norm. The EPI green with a special polymer back is a more distinctive design, but it won't appeal to all. Still, that doesn't make things bad. This is still impressive in the flesh, with the large 6. 8 in LTPO OLED display looking terrific. Peak brightness can hit a huge 5,000 nits, and as is now fairly normal, it was a 12 Hz refresh rate. It's also Dolby Vision certified. The Magic 6 Pro is also IP68 rated for water and dust resistance as you'd expect. Interestingly, the weight has gone up a few grams since last year, between 225–229 g depending on which model you have. It's also not the thinnest at 8.9 mm. The Magic 6 Pro runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with the associated Adreno 750 graphics. The performance gains this time around are a little more modest than they have been in recent years, but the performance of these handsets still impresses, and they cope with gaming workloads without issue. Here the platform is teamed with 12 GB of RAM and a standard 512 GB of storage. Cameras. Broadly great, slightly quirky. There is a key change from last year's camera setup, and that's the periscope telephoto, which is now a huge 180 MP instead of 50 MP. Has it made a lot of difference? We're not that convinced. 100x zoom shots are just okay, but naturally better if you can get it very still. And the optical zoom is 2.5x, which on paper certainly doesn't compare with the 3x on the OnePlus 12. Charging speeds have been improved. You now get 80W wired and 66W wireless charging, meaning you can juice the phone in around 40 minutes. The battery is sizable at 5,600 mAh, and if you eke it out, you can get to almost 2 working days of use.